Marco Island commission begins with the unmistakable silhouette of a Series 3 Roadster, finished in graphite blue metallic and shaped by timeless design. Beneath the surface, modern performance brings the experience to life. A GM LT1V8 paired with a 5-speed manual delivers raw mechanical connection, the kind you feel through every shift, every corner, every mile. Adjustable GAZ road performance suspension, a custom fast steering rack, and classic single piston braking keep the drive honest, engaging, and true to the Roadster's roots. Every detail is intentional. BORRANI 15-inch chrome wire wheels with knockoff spinners, Michelin white wall tyres, chrome bumpers, and quad fantail exhaust tips preserve the elegance of a bygone era, while LED lighting and modern reliability quietly elevate the experience. Inside, a fully reupholstered leather interior takes centre stage. Spinnybeck leather in warm tan wraps the seats, dash and door cards, stitched in classic fluted patterns with subtle beige thread. A mahogany Momo steering wheel, brushed aluminium dash accents, and vintage-style gauges complete a cabin that feels both authentic and refined. Heated seats, air conditioning, Bluetooth audio, JL audio sound, and discreet safety tech ensure this Roadster is as enjoyable on today's roads as it is beautiful to admire.